2013 Subaru Outback Premium Limited. White in paint, two-tone gray bottom, aluminum alloy wheels with a good set of tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, all-wheel drive, plenty of storage. Dark brown leather interior, wood grain trim, Subaru carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat. Dual automatic climate controls, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, navigation, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights with fog lights, just over 112,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Y'all come see us.